If you're not apologizing to your kids at least once a week, you're not paying attention. This is something I used to tell myself all the time when my kid was growing up. Now my kid is 26, and we have the closest relationship, and there's so much deep trust and connection. And we talk to each other almost every day, and we text every day, and we have a beautiful relationship. Part of the reason for that is we had a solid repair process that happened over and over and over again. Because I made a million mistakes when my kid was growing up. I was full of trauma and triggers and a tangled mass of, emotional trauma. I didn't even know it was there until she came along. I didn't even know there was such a thing as a trigger. And it all hit me like a ton of bricks. So I made a lot of mistakes. I treated her in ways I wish I hadn't. But what I did do was I would go back and I would apologize. Hey, kiddo, this was really hard. I'm sorry I did this. I wish I had done this instead. I'm going to put effort into it. Here's what I would like to do instead. And here's what I'm going to work on, and then we would hug it out and move on. And it's that continuous repair process that lets kids know that you're not just accepting when you treat them poorly, that you're working on it, that you're aware of it, and then you're making real changes. And they gain a tremendous amount of confidence in you because of that, because they know they can rely on you. I was once working with a parent, and we were out with their kid, and she was saying, "Oh, I feel so bad because I just can't stop yelling at my kid. And I just can't stop controlling them." And the kid was there and they heard it and they were like, "Mom, what I see you're really trying. I know that you're really trying." And it was this beautiful moment of like real connection and healing that I felt happened there, And that's the thing. Our kids know when we're trying and they know when we're putting effort. And apologizing is one of those things. Sometimes parents will say that they feel like they lose power by apologizing. I don't want that kind of power anyways. That's not very useful. That's not very helpful. We don't want power over our kids. We want power with, sharing power. And a solid repair process teaches them to do the same.